Good morning, students. Welcome to the physical science class. I hope you're all fine and enjoying the class.
Let's recall what we have learnt earlier. What are the ancient measurement units of length? Excellent. Footstep, handspan, cubit, palm, digit, pace, fathom. What are the instruments used for measuring length? Super. Meter scale and measuring tape. What are the units of measurements used long ago in different parts of the world? Good. Beam balance, hourglass, elbow, hand. What are the 7 base units of SI system? Very good. Length, mass, time, temperature, amount of substance, electric current, and luminous intensity. Length is measured in meter, mass is measured in kilogram, time is measured in second, temperature is measured in Kelvin, amount of substance unit is mole, electric current unit is ampere, luminous intensity unit is candela. You are very much thorough about length. What is length? Length is a measure of how long or wide something is. What are instruments used for measuring length? Rulers and measuring tape. Will you measure the length of an object using scale? Perfect. You have to place your eye vertically above the point where the measurement is to be taken. Today, we are going to learn about measurement of length using scale, thread and divider. Can anyone say what is length? Very good. Length is a measure of distance between 2 points. Length is used to express measures such as height, breadth, depth, thickness, radius, diameter, circumference, perimeter, and distance. The SI unit of length is meter. Some commonly used multiples and submultiples of meter are 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter, 1 decimeter is equal to 1 by 10 meter, 1 decameter is equal to 10 meter, 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. The distance between stars are measured in light years. A light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. The distance light travels in a year is 9.5 trillion kilometer. What are tools used for measuring length? Excellent. Meter scale, measuring tape. Many tools are used to measure length. The most commonly used tools are the meter scale and the measuring tape. The ruler in our geometry box also measure length. Measuring length using meter scale can cause three possible errors. When meter scale is not placed exactly along the length being measured, wrong reading is obtained. Therefore, we should place the meter scale correctly along the length of the object to be measured. An error can occur due to the wrong position of the eye while taking a reading. This error is called parallax error. We should place our eye exactly above the point where the measurement is to be taken. Zero error can occur when the measurement is taken at any point besides zero. In case of a broken scale, take the reading from a number from where the scale is fine, that is from 2 onwards. Methods to reduce errors. The scale should be kept along the length of the object and should touch the object. For example, I measure the length of an eraser using scale. The zero marking of the scale has touched the object at the starting point of the eraser, and the final reading we obtained is 5 centimeter. The eye should be placed directly above the point where the measurement is to be taken. We shouldn't have side look while taking reading. If the starting mark is worn off or if the scale is broken, measurement should be started from another point, that is from 1 onwards, which is clearly visible. Correct measurement can be obtained by subtracting the starting point 1 centimeter from the end point. How can you measure the length of a curved line? Excellent. Using thread and divider. The length of a curved line cannot be measured using meter scale. It can be measured using
thread and a divider. What is the length of the toy car measured using the scale? Excellent. 6.2 centimeter. The length of the pen measured using the scale is 14.1 centimeter, and the length of the sharpener measured using the scale is 2.6 centimeter. What is the length of the pencil measured using the scale? Super. 8.5 centimeter. The length of the curved line can be measured using thread. To measure the length of a curved hat, a thread is placed around the hat and the measurement is measured using the scale. The length of the hat obtained is 30 centimeter, and the additional length is again 30 centimeter, and the remaining length is 17 centimeter. So the total length of the hat is 77 centimeter. Take a white sheet of paper and draw a curved line using pencil and measure the length of the curved line using thread. Place the thread exactly along the curved line. Straighten the thread and measure the length using scale. The length of the curved line obtained is 14 centimeter. The length of the curved line can also be measured using a divider. Open out the pair of dividers so that the legs are 1 centimeter apart. Place one of the legs at one end of the line and the other leg on the line. Without altering the distance between the legs of the dividers, take the dividers along the line. The number of steps taken by the divider is 14. Some portion less than the distance between the two legs is measured as 0.7 centimeter. Length of the curved line obtained is 14.7 centimeter. Let's discuss few problems related to measurement. The distance between two places is 43.65 kilometer. Convert it into meter and centimeter. Given that distance between two places as 43.65 kilometer, we know that 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. So 43.65 kilometer is 43.65 into 1000 meter. We get 43,650 meter. Further, we have to convert this meter into centimeter. We know that 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 43,650 meter is equal to 43,650 into 100 centimeter. We get 43 lakhs 65,000 centimeter. So the distance is 43,650 meter or 43 lakhs 65,000 centimeter. The distance between a school and home is 2,250 meter. Express this distance into kilometer. Given that distance between school and home is 2,250 meter, We know that 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. From that we get 1 meter is 1 by 1000 kilometer. So that 2250 meter is equal to 2250 divided by 1000 kilometer. We get 2 kilometer to 50 meter. While measuring the length of a sharpened pencil, the reading of the scale at one end is 2.0 centimeter and at the other end is 12.1 centimeter. What is the length of the pencil? Given that final reading measurement of the pencil using scale is 12.1 centimeter and initial reading of the scale is 2.0 centimeter. So that we have to find that length of the pencil. Length of the pencil is equal to final reading of the scale minus initial reading of the scale, which is equal to 12.1 minus 2.0 centimeter. We get the length of the pencil as 10.1 centimeter.
Now I will ask you few questions. What is the error that occurred due to the wrong position of the eye while taking a reading? Very good. Parallax error. Parallax error can be avoided by placing the object in such a way that the eye should be placed directly above the point where the measurement is to be taken. Parallax error arises due to faulty procedures adopted by the person making measurements. What is the base unit of measurement for length in the SI metric system? Very good, meter. All of the other units for length are in multiples of 10. What are the multiples and submultiples of meter? Excellent. Millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, decameter, hectometer, kilometer. Prefixes are used with the name of the base unit indicating what multiple of 10 should be used with the unit.
Let's recap what we have learned today. Length. Length is a measure of distance. The SI unit of length is meter. Light year is the distance travelled by light in 1 year.
In measuring length, parallax error. Parallax error is an error in a measurement due to the eye not being in the correct position when taking a reading. Zero error can occur when the measurement is taken at any point besides zero. Reducing parallax errors. Placing the eye vertically above the marking on the scale to be read. Placing the meter ruler on the edge beside the object to be measured so that the scale is touching it. Using a thin ruler so that the scale is touching the object to be measured. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching.